Hey y'all, thanks for joining me. Just wanted to show you the dried results of the KS resin painting that I did. Here it is. Oh, I love how it dried. It's so pretty. Look at how it shimmers. And I'm glad I added that white pearlescent. Look how you can see the difference between that and the white base coat. It has so much extra shine to it there. They dried really nice. I love how the colors intermix with each other, create this beautiful painting. It is available for purchase. If you're interested, reach out to me at tammievaughanart@gmail.com. Alright, thanks. Bye. Hey y'all, thanks for joining me again. So today I came down here and I was thinking maybe I should do a split base. And so then I was thinking, well, I want to do something besides black and white. And so then I was kind of thinking blue. And then I thought, well, I don't think blue and black would look very good together. And I didn't really want to do white anyway. I wanted to have darker colors for the base for some reason. I don't know. Well, I guess I was kind of thinking that I would like to do pearlescent. But then I ended up not even choosing any of those. I was thinking pearlescent or iridescent, either one. But, so then when I was thinking about the blue, I was thinking, well, maybe I'll do a blue and a green split. So I'm going to use Cobalt Hue by FolkArt and Satin Jubilee Green by Delta Ceramcoat. So those are going to be the two colors that I use for the base. And then I was thinking, well, what colors would look good on top of blue and green? And so then I decided I was going to use yellow because yellow looks good with both colors. You know, yellow and blue does make green after all. So I went with Lemon Yellow by Arteza. And then I've been wanting to try more oranges. And I thought, well, yellow and orange would probably look nice. So I chose Metallic Orange by Loft. But then I wasn't sure what would look good with that. Well, yellow and red make orange. So I decided to go with Scarlet Red by Arteza. The thing is, I'm not really sure how the red is going to interact with the green, but the red is going to be on top of all the other colors. So hopefully, if I lay them all on top of each other, then it won't really interact with the green too much. And then you'll still have the red and green, which complement each other very nicely. They go very well together. They just don't intermix very well together, because a lot of times you'll get brown or gray if you do that. But I'm hoping that there will be enough of a barrier between them that I won't have that issue. The canvas I'm using today is an Artist Loft 8" by 10" level 2 gallery wrapped. So I am going to go ahead and flood my canvas and I'll be right back. Alright, the canvas has been flooded, the bubbles have been torched, I've picked stuff out of it. When I was going through the green, I could see that I had a hair or something that was stuck, but I kept trying to find it and it was actually caught on my turner. So I think I got it off. I don't see it in there anywhere. So one of the things that I've noticed is that the green's not sticking to the canvas very well. And I was trying to figure out, oh, there it is. I was trying to figure out why it's not covering very well, because it looked like it was all covered, and then all of a sudden I start seeing bare spots again. And then I remembered it's because it's a cheaper paint, and actually I figured that this was the Ceramcoat and this was the FolkArt, but actually this is the Ceramcoat and this is a FolkArt. I was kind of wondering before if Ceramcoat was actually a better quality paint, but I still put it with my craft paints. But after seeing this, I would say no, it's probably more along the lines of a craft paint, because they don't have as much pigment and they don't stick to the edges as well. And that's why a lot of times if you use just craft paints, you will notice that your sides look washed out compared to the top of it. So I guess we are going to see what's going to happen as far as the coverage. I'm definitely going to have to touch it up a lot more after I get done blowing this out, as I do with a lot of them. But, well, I guess it's one of those that you try things and then you learn from them. So this is the lemon yellow. Should have gone from the other direction first, being left-handed. Then I can't see where my line is, so that was kind of interesting. Okay, and actually, since there's only 3 colors, I'm going to put a little more on there. I want to make sure that I have plenty. Okay, that looks better. And then the metallic orange. Can't remember how well I shook these up. I think I shook them up, but okay. And then Scarlet Red. Little spot of red got up here, so I'm just gonna touch it, get it out of there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and torch this again. I'm also thinking I might not have gotten as thick of a coat of the green as I did of the blue. I was thinking that I had a lot thicker green than I did blue, but as I'm picking things out of it, it seems like there's less green than there is. Okay, so I am going to start here and pull this down this way. There must be something in the paint right here. I don't know what, unless I just got clear down to the, I must have just got clear down to the bottom of it. I like the way this blew out. This, I don't like the way it blew out. I do like the way that the yellow and the blue were interacting and started making green. This metallic orange, and maybe it's because it's on top of yellow, it actually looks more peachy to me than it does actual orange. Which, I mean, isn't terrible. I like what these cells are doing. I like the colors in them. Not really getting them anywhere else. A little bit here. I do not like the way this blew out at all up here. There's just not really enough paint to make it do anything up there. Well, I'm going to pause the video for a bit and think about this. Try to decide what I want to do about it. So, I'll be back in just a flash. Okay, I'm sorry. I probably should have gone ahead and recorded it, but I was just messing around because I didn't like it. So I added more yellow and more orange and more red to the top to see if I could blow this out better, and it still wasn't working. So I got frustrated and just drug my finger around through it, and it kind of intermixed the colors, but it showed a lot of the canvas. So then I took the world's smallest leaf blower and just kind of blew the paint around in various ways. So I kind of like it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna clean up my edges and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, like I said, I am really sorry that I didn't just go ahead and resume the record button. But I really thought that I was just going to scrape this because I didn't like it. The only part of it that I liked was this right here. I liked the way the cells were forming and the looks of them. So but I really do like the way this turned out. And, you know, I just figured, well, I'm going to scrape it anyway, so I was just going to mess around with it a little bit. And I guess I should know that I should just go ahead and record the whole process, because if I would have scraped it after that, I could have either shown you that, or I could have just gone ahead and deleted that part of the video. But I did not. I would love to know what you think about this, though. Okay, I'm going to shut off the overheads, and then I will turn on my flash. Here it is with just the flash. I like the cells that started appearing throughout now, because I really wasn't getting very many cells, and now there's quite a bit. And look at how you've got that shimmer, and that's just from the orange, because that's the only color that is metallic in here. I don't have any other pearls or extreme glitter or anything. I do like how these colors turned out together. I really wasn't sure if they were going to look good or if they were going to just look like a mess. But I think they turned out really pretty. Well, if you enjoyed this, I'd really appreciate it if you would click on the like button. Helps my videos be shown to more people. Really appreciate you joining me today. I will catch you later. Oh, and this is for sale. If you are interested, reach out to me at tammievaughanart@gmail.com. All right, I'll catch you later. Bye, and God bless.